Hello everyone. Do you want to see the finished product for what I've made? Um, this is the finished product. This is the boat, and this is the tree house. See the tree house. This is the stairway to tree house. See that stairway, and the name of this part is Dream House. See, ito yung kulungan ng mga baboy pag may mag-alaga ng baboy sa island na to. Kita mo yung duyan. Duyan yan. Ito yung tambayan pag gusto nyong uminom. Ito. Ito yung tsura niyan. So, that's it. So, that's it. This is the finished product. Abangan nyo po yung yung iba ko pang art. Yun lang po muna sa ngayon. Marami na akong art pero yung iba hiningi na ng mga kaibigan ko. Kaya susunod ulit. Bye bye.